came out of there. Drip, drip, drip.
I think so. Okay. Where's the fan? That's not the one I'm looking for. That's probably the one I'm looking for. Uh-oh. That's rodent access right there. Okay, so there's the fan. It's coming in there. There's the fan motor. So it might be back this other way. Can't see anything. Yeah, so not really seeing anything, and that it's right here somewhere. So I'm gonna go now on the roof and look, because I got this little transition at the top of the valley, and it's even with, I've got a penetration here and a penetration there, and it's like right on the other side. So there's the two penetrations. So I think this cricket was replaced not too long ago. So somewhere in here is definitely the leak. Don't think it's coming from the cricket, but it may. I think I'm gonna have to water test. All right, let me get it set up. All right, so I got just some even water on the suspect. So there's the top of my valley. There's the 2 penetrations. There's the pipe. So that gets my bearings. So something tells me it's in that valley right there, somewhere, maybe even in this field. Could be part of this tie-in here or even over here, but could be that transition right there. So, but you know, looking at this cricket, that seam right there, I thought I saw a little bubble, but that's definitely not my main suspect. We'll see what happens. I'll let this run for a little while. It's 1:25. Started at 1:21, so it's been 4 minutes. So 10-15 minutes I would expect I'll get some water in. We'll see. Back to the attic. So there's the pipe and the 2 penetrations and the ridge. And I believe where the leak's coming in is 2 or 3 feet from the ridge. So I gotta get up there and see. A little tight and a little warm. Usually don't have camera up here. Ouch. Okay. So I'm just looking for a drip. But the complaint came in over there where the fan is, so that leads to it, and I think somewhere right in there is where the drip is coming in, was coming in. I'm pretty sure that I have my water in the right spot. Let me get myself situated. Oh, watch out. Alright, so there's the fan. It was coming out of this side over here. It's hard to hold myself and the light and the camera. Ouch. So I'm kind of expecting to see something over here. So we wait. Let me see if I can. I don't see anything dripping yet. It's only been 10 minutes or so. There's the other side. So there's a chance the water's running through this duct here. There's the vent, so that is a possibility. And that's the furthest to the street. There's the other one. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Okay. Ugh. Ooh, watch out. Don't see anything. Well, I think I got a new suspect. There ain't nothing happening right there. New suspect. My new suspect. Is this pot, the vent itself. So I think I might, while I got it set up, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it for another 30 minutes just in case. And then I'm going to move over to the vent. So let me get myself out of here. It is smoking hot today. Alright, it's been over an hour. We're just gonna go and check it. Nothing dripping. Oh, alright, on to the next suspect. That's where it's coming in at. That thing's sloped. Sloped down too, so we'll see what happens here. I thought the fan was on. It's because I got the water on that vent. Well, it's definitely leaking in there now. That's not the place where the complaint was. Alright, back at it. That down there appears it may be leaking. That boot. Nothing's dripping. That sure sounds like water coming in there. Definitely, I'll bet we're gonna see it come out of the vent now. Okay, so we got
a leak.
water.
Yeah, he's all anxiety driven.
Okay, so
Here's your coffee.
we definitely duplicated it with the vent. So we're pretty sure that it's the vent, but you know, we need to kind of isolate the vent. So I think we need to replace that vent. Not sure exactly what's the problem. So this all is still getting wet. So I sprayed the other side. Spraying it this way didn't get it inside the duct. But when I move the sprinklers over here, then it goes inside the duct. Very interesting. So I think I might do one more test just for fun now that we got the water flowing. I'm just going to put the hose in the back and let it run naturally on the roof and see if I get the water in that way. Then I'll know it's the vent itself. For what reason, I don't know. Okay, so within just a few minutes of putting the water right behind the vent, there we are. So it must be the seal in the vent. That's odd. Oh, there it comes. Let's just take a look up in the... So I don't see anything dripping. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. All right, I need to go turn the water off.